Hi there, students. Quietus. Both pronunciations are possible. I think I would go with quietus, but very many other people say quietus. Okay, quietus is a noun. Quietus is something that stops something. It eliminates. It kills it. It suppresses it. It holds it back. It effectively makes it calm. It makes it quiet. Yeah. So something that quiets something or represses something. This word is linked to the word quiescent, for example. So the visit by the police put the quietus on their celebration. Yeah, it really calmed it down a lot. We need to find a way to put the quietus on this rumor. We need to kill it. We need to get rid of it. Very often as well, probably most commonly, this word quietus or quietus is used to mean death. Yeah, particularly after a lot of suffering. Yeah, so the quietus after the problems and difficulty and struggle of life. Quietus, release from life, death itself. This is probably a very literary way of doing it. The rain put the quietus on my ideas of going for a picnic. Yeah, it stopped it, it suppressed it, it eliminated it. And then finally, you can use this word quietus to talk about the final payment of a debt. Yeah, so you completely eliminate the debt. And this word quietus in the past comes from Latin quietus est. He is quit. And quietus was normally used for some sort of receipt to show that a debt had been paid or a debt had been discharged, so you didn't owe any more. Let's see, I would recommend using this word either to mean debt, release from life after the difficulties and struggles. Yeah, but you could also use it something to calm something down. So notice this word is very formal. It's maybe a bit old-fashioned as well. I think I'd probably give it a 7.5 or an 8 in formality. I think informally to kill, to stop, to suppress, to put an end to do away with, something like that, or to die. Okay, so quietus, something that eliminates or stops something from happening. Failing his entrance exams put the quietus on his going to university. Notice I've used this quite often in this phrase, to put the quietus on something. Yeah, to put an end to it. Okay, we need to put the quietus to this unreasonable behavior. Yeah, and we need to stop it from happening. We need to kill it. Euthanasia is the final quietus, which gives us everlasting peace, maybe. Okay, so quietus, a noun and a really formal one. So, as I said before, well, it comes from Latin, quietus, at rest. It's linked to the word quiet, quiescent, quiescence. All of those. So it's basically, yeah, to make quiet, if you like. So, quietus, quite an unusual word. I think a lot of native speakers might intuitively guess what it means, but they won't know the word. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Quietus.